Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-04007 error in Oracle database 12c. So here I am logging into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scout, which I already created. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay. So now I am going to create one sequence with min value and max value and increment by. You can see sequence is created successfully. Now what I am going to do, I am going to alter my file sequence min value. Okay, so I am going to alter this my file sequence min value to 5. So okay, here you can see that ORA-04007 min value cannot be made to exceed the current value, because see here increment by is mentioned as 10 and start with also mentioned as 10. So current value is 10. Okay, so you cannot exceed the value. So